One News spoke yesterday. Rise of the Tomb Raider gently out of its torpor on PlayStation 4 and specifies its output. If the rumor fell following a leak, GameStop Italy, who spoke of October 11, 2016 on its website prior to logically remove the info. Now things have just confirmed. It's now official. Following the reboot of Tomb Raider, The Excellent Rise of the Tomb Raider, released November 13, 2015 on Xbox One and January 28, 2016 on PC, will arrive October 11, 2016 on PlayStation 4. Programmed in this version to the Sony console, a 20th Anniversary Edition, which obviously includes the base game, but Blood Ties, a whole new chapter scripted we are talking about, a little lower. The stamina mode will be playable cooperatively, and a PlayStation VR support for Blood Ties is also planned. In addition, the edition includes all of the DLC, new costumes, and shipping cards. Players who opted for the limited edition will also have an art book collector. That the PC and Xbox One players can rest assured. These editions also land on their respective supports, free of charge.